Hello, thank you for joining me today. I will be showing you how to log in and use PebbleGo. I'm going to show you two different ways to find this website. The very first, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. I have opened up the KPBSD homepage. Next, I'm going to go to Students and Parents. I'm just going to click right on that one, and I'm going to scroll down just a little bit, and I'm going to find PebbleGo. I'm going to click right on there. Then it will ask for my username and password. This will be the same for everyone. It will be 3131, and our top password is JKL. And you're going to hit go. Now, with PebbleGo, we're going to be using this for animal research. So the first thing we're going to click on is animals. Okay. Now the great thing about PebbleGo is it is organized, super duper organized. So your student is going to be able to research any animal, but no dinosaurs. So they can click on any of the other ones. So let's try reptiles.
Reptiles.
So I'm going to click on reptiles. And then here you can see that they have these even more organized. So you can see if I click on alligators, I'm going to learn about alligators. But here you can see lizards. It has a few more cards behind it. That means if I click into this, there's going to be more options for lizards.
Lizards.
So you can see here that there are more options. So let's say I wanted to learn about bearded dragons. Okay, the great thing about PebbleGo is it has the option to read to you. So if I was reading and I got really stuck on some words, there are two great features. One is it has vocabulary words. So when you click on these red ones, it will give you a definition of that word, and then you can click on this little speaker and it will read it to you.
Reptile, a cold-blooded animal with a backbone. Scales cover a reptile's body.
Awesome. And then I'm going to click this X up at the top to go back to this page. Then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to click on this speaker here, and that is how it's going to read to me.
Bearded dragons are reptiles.
Awesome. All right, then you can see up at the top there are different little tabs. Each of these tabs are what your student's going to be working on each day. So on Monday, my goal would be for them to draw a picture of the body and choose an animal. Then Tuesday, they're going to go to their habitat, and they're going to tell me about where they live. Then they're going to tell me about what they eat when they read food. They're going to read the life cycle and then tell me about the life cycle. And then on Friday, they're going to read the fun facts and tell me an interesting fact. All of these this week are going into your graphic organizer, and then these will, then we're going to slowly progress, and we're going to turn it into a rough draft of research writing. Then we're going to edit it, and then it'll turn into our final draft. Some other cool features of PebbleGo is it does have these items in the bottom. So we do have an article that you could read if you wanted to do some more research. There are also some continued activities. There's usually a video for each animal, and then they also have a map that's going to show you where that animal lives. So it looks like bearded dragons mainly live in Australia. Now, to go back, instead of clicking the back button a million times, they have this awesome feature up here with pictures. So here you can see I'm on the bearded dragon page. If I click back one, I'm going to go to lizards. If I click back one again, I'll go back to reptiles. And then back one again, I'm going to go to animals. Okay? So then I can go to mammals. I could go into other mammals, and then go to koalas and say, okay, I've researched a little bit about koalas, but I don't think I want to write about it. So I want to go back to animals. So I'm going to go back to the top, and I'm going to click, animals. Awesome. Let me quickly show you the second way to find PebbleGo. So PebbleGo will be on our Canvas homepage. So it's going to be located in your weekly lessons this week. So I'm going to scroll down just a little bit, and then here you can see each of your readings this week. You will have a PebbleGo page attached. So you can click straight onto that PebbleGo picture and then type in your password and your username, 3131 JKL, and then you can start your research. So I've tried to make it as easy as I could with finding it. So like I said, it's just going to be right on that page when you are looking at your weekly overview. All right, thank you so much for joining me. I hope this made sense. If you've got any more questions, please contact me. Give me a phone call, email, text, dojo message. Thank you.